Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. It's time for another Shiba Inu update. And in this video, we are going to focus in on the charts. In particular, we're going to talk about some of the support levels as well as some of the resistance levels. And why this is so important is because if and when you're trying to time up when you want to add to your position or even open a position in Shiba Inu, it is so important to understand where these levels are. I have been talking about these levels for a few weeks now, and we're actually getting down toward one of those levels where I'd like to add onto my position. So we're going to get into that later on in the video here. And before we get there, I'm going to kind of cast where we are in the overall market to kind of situate how it's impacting Shiba Inu. So right now, though, we're on the constant growth channel. As you can see right below me, we do have a join button now. So you could become a member right here on YouTube. If you click this button, it'll pop open a video. It's a real short video, 1 minute, 30 seconds. Check it out. There's 2 different levels. Let me know if you have any questions about that. We've already got 6 new members. Just launched this button pretty recently. Now, if you're also somebody who wants to join a private community, we have that for you as well. We've got the supporter level, insider level. This is over on Patreon. You're going to get direct access to a ton of people, a ton of bright minds. We're all learning from one another over on the Discord. We'd love to have you over there. Now, why $20 per month here for the insider package? You're going to get Discord access, general support, but you're also going to get buy and sell trade alerts with the $20 per month, as well as access to our portfolio. It is a group portfolio that we're putting together. We're going to add on to it each and every month and be able to watch how this portfolio grows over time. So without further ado, let's jump into the video here. And the real big key takeaway here, and we've been focusing on this quite a lot lately, and there's a reason for that, because until this number, the shorts number, comes down, so this number right underneath my video box here, which continues to rise right now, by the way, it's closing in on 17,000 short positions. And again, quick refresher, shorts, people betting Bitcoin will go down. Okay, until more people do not bet Bitcoin will go down and it's rather flat, right? Or there are way more long positions and the short number goes down, it's going to be tough for the overall market to not be volatile, to not be red, quite frankly. Right now it's pretty flat. We're going to get into the overall market, but this is very important. And there's a lot of things happening right now with Bitcoin behind the scenes, whether it's Bitcoin mining, whether it's, the energy consumption, there's so many different things going, whether it's potential regulation coming on the 28th, you got the Bitcoin, the B word event coming up on the 21st, and just so many things happening at once. I do think this is setting up for a nice month of August, though. I think there will be another bull run, and that means altcoins like Shiba Inu will be rising as well. So right now, we're at these levels where I just added onto my position yesterday. Was it yesterday or maybe 2 days ago now? This 068 range here again. So be on the lookout, insider members, because you might be getting an alert from me right after this video if this continues to fall a little bit, because I might be adding on here again. And I'm going to tell you why later on in this video, why I keep adding at this particular area. And it has a lot to do with what this video is going to be mostly about, are those technical areas of resistance and support. But one quick thing I do want to hit on is the amount of holders is steadily increasing over the past 7 days, which that is good to see. We're not seeing, the 2,000 to 3,000 holders per day added that we were a few weeks ago, leading up to, throughout the AMA event, leading up to Shiba Swap. However, we are slowly getting up there towards 6,000 total addresses. Right now, we're sitting at 591,924. Okay, so real quick here too, we'll take a look at this, and this is the market cap chart. And this is what I've said. A lot of people have price predictions, and I promise we're going to get all into the technical analysis here, all in the second half of this video. But a lot of people are asking questions, how high do you think we can go by the end of the year? And this is why I keep saying, if we can get back to all-time highs, this would be great. Because right now, we've been really struggling to break through and reach 4 billion in market cap. Look how long we've been below 4 billion in market cap. We've just popped over it real briefly on May 24th, but since way back here, May 19th, we've been underneath this 4 billion market cap. Look at this consolidation in terms of the market cap. Now, where we've been, how high we've been, it's been 13, or actually higher than that, 14.3 billion. That's what we were in market cap way back on May 10th at the peak. Look at that, 14 billion in market cap. I've actually said 13.5. It's been higher than that. So I stand corrected here. 14.3 billion in market cap. If we can get back up there, I mean, that's over a $10 billion increase in market cap. That would be pretty awesome. That's about a 4x from here, 4 or 5x from here. And I'm still would be very happy if we get there. Okay, so this is the article I want to focus on for the remaining few minutes of this article, because SHIB is rejected at the 757 level. Okay, we'll come back over here. Here it is. And this is the 24-hour high. Got rejected here at the 7.5 level. Okay, is it a good time to short? Maybe, or is it a good time to buy the dips? I think you can look at it from a couple different angles. Okay, so let's scroll down here, and it says, despite the addition of new pairs, the coin did not see a bullish movement in prices after Shiba Swap launch. We never really thought it would be a huge catalyst in terms of the price, right? But it's more about this next sentence. However, the addition should help attract more capital to the exchange that will add further value to the coin despite it being a meme coin. It, again, solidifies the project, right? It allows new money to come in throughout time because this project is solidified, the swap is there, it's situated nicely for the future. I've always said that here. Now, here's the daily technical levels. Now, these are the support and resistance levels I want to pay close attention to here. So we've got our support levels and our resistance levels. Support is on the low end, okay, of the charts. Resistance is on the high end. So when we meet resistance, we usually, you know, we're going up and we get to a certain level and then we come back down. Support, we're going down, we get so far down and then we come right back up off these support levels, right? So check this out. We've seen a support level at 727. Look at this. We've seen a support level at 696 and 660. This is why I've been adding right in between these levels, right? At these 6.8 levels, 6.7 levels, because we've had these support levels in here for quite some time. So when it dips down to this price that it's currently at 6.8, I believe that's a good time to add on to your position because eventually it's going to pop back up. Now, there is another support level down at the 5.5 level, but we haven't seen that in quite some time, okay? And that was when the entire market was really going through a major correction. You could say a mini crash. Now, in terms of the resistance levels, these are on the high end, right? We haven't been able to break through the 794, 83, 86, and 763 levels all that often. Technically, the SHIB USD coin is exhibiting a robust bearish bias at 0.69, and it is heading south towards the next support of 6.7. So if that next support is reached at 6.7, we are very close to it. We're at 0.68 right now. Right now is not a bad time to open up a position or add on to your position, in my opinion. So pay close attention to these levels, and if you're trying to, you know, be strategic in when you buy and when you continue to add on to your positions, pay very close attention to these levels, both the support levels and resistance levels. Shout out to FX Leaders for putting this article out there too. This was a really cool article, and appreciate them putting this out there. So hopefully you got some value out of this video, and again, if you want to hit that join button and check out what we have to offer there, we'd love to hear from you there. Also, down in the comments, let me know what you think about this. Austin Hilton and I, a good friend of mine, we are both obviously YouTubers here. You guys probably know both of us from covering the similar types of content. We are talking about starting a crypto trading course. This would be a one-time course. Him and I would both be in all the videos. We're talking about a full 2-hour full course, and it'll go into all the details of what it takes to be successful in crypto trading. If that's something that would interest you, let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are about that and what are some of the modules maybe you would like to see in a course like that. Love to hear from you down there, and hopefully you got some value. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.